So we got the base done yesterday. It was raining, getting pretty wet, but I got it done. It's about, I would say it's about 36 inches tall. And I really tried to get it all nice and flat, but some of the stone, even though they're all 3 cm, some of them vary in thicknesses. So I ended up having to put some thicker ones out here and then on the edges, and then put some thinner ones in the middle, because for some reason I was running a little high in the center. So you really, once it starts going off, it's really hard to get it back. I don't think it's perfectly flat, but it's really, really close. As if I bring the camera down here, you can see. But I don't know, maybe it is flat enough. I'm concerned that it's not, and I don't want it to be supported in the center and rock on the edges, because then it'll have a chance to break. So what I think I'm going to do is put this granular sand in, pour it on here, level it off, because that way when we put the top on, which is going to be very heavy, we can move it back and forth a little bit to even that out, to get it totally flat so everything's got pressure on it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now.